TOA is a good opportunity to have in a relaxed way good discussions with our target groups, startups, other business partners and techies. And we from T-Systems, we love technology, and so that fits.
It was really great to see how people from technical background, but also from economical background, students, university professors, people who already have experience in impact startups, could be linked then at the T-Systems boat for interacting in this specific topic of blockchain.
If you take up the official clauses from people and let them join one eye-to-eye event, it works for better networking and communication.
So this was really interesting because on the one side it connects with me as a private user, as a consumer, but also in the end as someone who's willing to do business, and with this knowledge that I gained here in the different workshops, it touches me in a personal side but also on a business side. So all in all, just a perfect day.